So welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. So we're going to have some spinach, some green bell pepper, 2 eggs. I'm going to saute that up, scrambled eggs actually, and then I'm going to have some toast. So let me show you which toast that's going to be. It's going to be a little Walmart brand whole wheat bread. I think this is like, yeah, it's like 60 calories for 1 slice, so not too bad. And I'll have that and some delicious coffee. Let me show you what coffee I use. I use this one a lot, but my new favorite holiday one is this one. You see that? Yeah. Cinnamon Dolce Starbucks. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. But yes. Let's get cooking.
Are you still mad at me, baby? Or don't you care anymore? Oh, I know you're so much better than me, but let's not count the score. Let's not count the score. Baby, the only thing that matters is that my love for you never dies. And one thing you can be sure of, honey, you know I'm not telling lies. I'm not telling lies.
I'm actually using a bell pepper that we grew here, and it started getting cold, so we picked off all the bell peppers, and this one was such a tiny one. And so I think this is the last one. No, there's one more. This is the last one I cut, but we have one more bell pepper from the season, so it's exciting to eat your own food that you grew. It's very empowering and very cool. I know this looks like a lot of spinach, but it cooks down pretty well. Plus, I would love to get all this in me anyway, so I need some mommy fuel.
To give me things I never needed, gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. There is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen
I mean, how good does that look?
Where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know? Just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. There is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow.
Me and my girls decided to go see my husband at his work, and we basically did like a car party. He had his own lunch already, and I went to Starbucks and got a turkey and stuffing sandwich, and it was delicious. This also is from his work. It's a diet Snapple, and it's very good as well. So we had a little car party this day. So it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. The girls are taking a nap. I'm doing some editing, and I'm about to have a delicious snack. A parfait with blueberries and granola, and this Arnold Palmer light half tea, half lemonade. It's very delicious. It'll pick me up. So yeah, that'll be my afternoon snack before dinner. So it is 8:30, and this is our dinner. It is fried rice with teriyaki chicken thighs, cut green beans, and the, what is it called? Crispy noodles. I would love to take credit for this delicious looking meal, but it's my husband's mom who made it. So we're about to eat. It is about 10 o'clock at night, and we're having our little dessert and coffee. I've had about 2 of those water jugs today. This is decaf coffee, of course, and cherry ice cream. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around today, watching what I eat. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.